Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial of this beautiful high bun that I did for my friend's wedding recently. So let's just get straight to it. So I'm just gonna spray some water all over, soften up my hair a little bit. So I just basically start kind of finger detangling and moving my hair to where I want it to be. Move the back up. So I'm gonna take a brush, and it's a really soft brush. I'm thinking maybe for things like this I need a harder brush, but maybe it's a good thing I don't have that harder brush, because I can be rough with my hair sometimes. I use some Eco Styler gel around my edges. I use a considerable amount because I really want it slicked down. Brush it around again. Will help move the gel closer to the ends and help you to smooth it down. So I'm gonna use this stocking leg that I cut off. It has a lot of stretch in it, so I like using it so it doesn't tug on my hair too much. So I just tie it, then I pull it, and then I push the back up, and I pull. As I keep pushing it up, I pull, push up, pull, push up, pull. Determine how high you want your bun to be, where you want it to start from the front. I think I'm good with right here, so I just try and pull it tighter if I can, and then I'm just gonna bring this around and tuck it somewhere. Okay, all right, it's up. The next thing I'm gonna do is get the Kurly Klips. I actually have two because my friend gave me hers because her hair is locked now, so she don't use this anymore. So I was like, girl, can I get it please? So I have a fuller afro when I use it. One is actually longer than the other. I think hers was longer than mine. They're all mixed up now, so I don't know which one is which, to be honest. So I'm gonna take the longest piece, which is this one. You can wet it a little bit if you want, you know. It will help it to detangle a little bit and give you a little bit more definition if you want. For me, it don't really matter seriously. I'm just gonna open each clip. I'm going to stick it just outside of the band. I'm gonna stick it in. Make sure that it's comfortably in, so you don't feel any discomfort. And close it. Stick this one in and close it. Stick this one in and close it. So that's one piece in. And what I do now, I get one of the smaller ones because it didn't go all the way around, which is this one. It just has two clips on it. and then I fill in this space here. Okay, so what I do now is I take the other small pieces and I clip them onto my puff. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to use all of 4 because even this can give you, you know, even this can give you a nice bun, you know. Oh, that's a nice messy bun vibe, but I want it fuller, so I'm gonna clip onto my puff. Okay, I think I'm using more here than I did that day. Okay, alright, that's looking more like it. Bring it around, and then I'm gonna put one pin here, one pin here. Yeah, actually, it's good with one pin. So the only thing that we're gonna do now is the edges. And I'm using the same Eco Styler gel. You know, people were asking me what I used on my edges. Just some Eco gel. And just because what's a black girl without some baby hair? Don't do. I can't go hard or go too big on the baby hair because my hair is extremely coily. So my hair now take me on with that. Can go on. Here's like, girl, have a seat. So I have to do this quickly and then quickly tie it down because she's not in it. See how she coil up there? Like, girl, sit down. Sit your ass down about baby hair. Alright, that's the closest I'm gonna get to some baby hair. Eh? That's all she's gonna give me. Watch it. No, girl. Alright, we'll go work with that. We'll work with that and just tie it down so the edges stay laid. It's too tight. Ooh. Okay, here are some really cool ways to accessorize this high bun. I have this necklace. I think it's from Kenya. I think it's from Kenya. If not Kenya, Ethiopia. Anyway, so I'm gonna use it. And, oh, doesn't this give you like not princess, but African queen vibes? Whew. So I'm just gonna stick it around here and take a pin. Okay, I like using these pins because they're tug free, very easy on your scalp. Right, 1 and 2. This is so fucking cute. So fucking cute. Balance. Are you seeing that? maybe real extra today. So I have another accessory that I want to add. I have this accessory which I think I bought from ASOS some time ago. I wore it probably one time. It had like a, I think it was a hamster on the end here, but I took off the hamster because it has 2 pins on the ends. I just want it to stick in here. I don't want it to go any further. How cute is that? Cute. Cute. Okay guys, so that's it for my high bun look using Kurly Klips, and also I made a little ponytail, end up doing this ponytail as well. I'm actually really enjoying doing this video. So that's it guys. Give me a thumbs up please. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, and you can also share it, please. I don't mind. You can share it. Tell a friend. So take care of yourself, and we'll link up in the next video. Bye.